Hey guys, how you doing? Get on there and watch Eric Taillage and his channel. See what kind of neat and interesting stuff he's doing. You will not believe your eyes at some of this stuff. Get on there and watch it. Don't forget to subscribe, my friends.
All right, what I can see here, we're gonna have some cars all over in this room. And I guess we'll be heading over to another room to find other cars. So I'll walk around here. I'll show you guys what we see right off the bat. Beautiful Nova. 383. Must be a stroker. 69. Beautiful paint on it. You got a Mustang sitting beside it. That's probably like a 2015, that yellow Mustang. See how the stripes are painted, cleared right over the stripes. It's really good. 69. The car is from here in the province of Quebec. Let's go over. We got a Mopar over here. So it's got a tunnel. 69 Dart. You guys want to see? Just put it on pause. You guys can read everything that's here. Dart GT. Alright, so the problem we're going to have here is that there's a lot of people. Beautiful Pioneer here. Beautiful Pioneer. Sitting right here, 67. Chrysler Newport. Twin turbos. Mustang Boss, Mustang Mach 1. Got them all here. So we got the 13 Mustang Boss. The 12 has the stripes that come around like this. 13, they come up. He's even got the window sticker. $53,000. Was the list price on this when it came out. Got a few little Mustangs here, so we'll take a look and see what they have here. So it's a 21, just a regular GT convertible. You got a Mach 1 sitting on the back side there. Got a lot of souvenir stuff. Alright, so we'll keep looking. Alright, got ourselves a Chevelle here. This is 70 automatic. Yeah, 1970. It's got a 502 been put in it. So it could be an SS clone. I'm going to walk around here and show you guys a bit of this show here. We're in this Quebec City in Canada. There's a lot of stuff, but there's also a lot of people. Look at this beautiful old van here. 1976 denim machine. It's like an extended van. It's been stretched with the old side pipes. The Levi's denim van, 1976. It's got an old paint job on it. Yeah, the old no base coat, clear coat here. Tell you guys that. Got the old rugs inside. Beautiful Camaro. So it's going to be a 67 or 68. 68 SS 396. I guess most of these cars are all going to be coming out of the province here, out of this. They're all going to be pretty close by. Beautiful Charger, 67 Charger. Probably, I don't know if this is going to be a 383. I know there's one of these. I know there's two of them. One's a Hemi, and the other one's a 383. This might be a 340. I like that color. That silver color looks really good on it. Really good. Actually, those with the Magnum wheels actually coming around. I wasn't crazy about those before, but it's actually coming around. Corvette. So you got a Roadrunner sitting over there. A lot of stuff to see. So we'll walk around here and show you guys. We got ourselves a Yenko clone 427 sitting right here. There's so many nice cars. It's going to be a stick shift. '68, it's Chevy too. They did into a Yenko clone. Let's go look at this Cobra sitting over here. They do look good. They're really sharp, these cars. Must be a lot of fun to ride around with. This one here is going to be a Super Performance. Super Performance MK3 is going to be the model. These are made of fiberglass. Look sharp though. Even got the locking nut. So you got your nut right here, got the lock right here to hold it, make sure it doesn't come off. Your side pipes. It's going to be a Bel Air 57 in yellow. Could have went without the mags they put on it. Beautiful car though. So you can have like a bunch of stands on the outside here, going along all on the edge here. All kinds of stuff going on. Boy, this boy, nice, a 48 Monarch. Beautiful. Look at that. Look how nice that is. With the suicide doors. Gonna be a late 70s Corvette. Might be an 80 with those mags. 81. The 350. Oh, we got a beautiful, beautiful. '65 Stingray. Oh, beautiful car. Sitting right beside it, you got a Studebaker Avant. Something you don't see very often. Yeah, the paint is gorgeous on this. Automatic. Beautiful stuff. Alright, you got yourselves a Hazard County car here. The old Dukes boys, old one. Even got the little push bar on the front of it. Under the lights here, the orange looks different. That's pretty rare. You never see a Hemi in these. Usually you got the 383 or the 440s. They have actually a 426 Hemi. 86 Trans Am. They let anybody in here. This guy must have the 4 Trans Ams that are sitting here. That's why he's got himself a little yard here. They put them all together. That looks like a 78 sitting over here. So you see the bird in 86. That was the size of it in 86. 84 was a bit smaller because you had the bump on the hood. So you see the bird here in 78, what it looks like with the 6.6. Could be an original paint job on this. The gray interior. Oh, it's a stick shift on top of that. That's something pretty rare. You don't see that very often. The old 4-speed with a light blue interior. Very, very rare to see that. All right, Trans Am. Almost looks like a Bandit. Going to be a 79 Trans Am with the 6.6. Beautiful. I don't know if this car's been restored. Yeah, the paint is so nice on it. Everything you could, I'm sure the under of the car is probably just like new. Yeah, you see the lights have been changed in the front. This one right here is 79 Trans Am, really nice with the gold interior. This is a 403 and 79. You guys like the Pontiacs? You got some beautiful Pontiacs here. I don't know if some of you guys remember, you see on that steering wheel, you see that little remote there, that's for the stereo. See if they put an aftermarket stereo in it. Look at underneath the car. Just as nice underneath as it is on top. Yeah, beautiful stuff. Alright, we got ourselves a Shelby GT350. It's going to be a 66 probably. Something like that. This is some kind of promotion. This is where you can go and drive these old cars. Must be a racetrack around here somewhere. You can do stuff like this. It's an experience where you can pay. I don't know if you can drive it or if you just ride. You just ride with the guy. All right, let's get in and go look at this big boat over here. All right, got ourselves a Mopar. Big Mopar. What is this, an Imperial? LeBaron. Yeah, beautiful big Imperial. Look, they even put the lights under the hood. 62. A lot of chrome in 62. You don't see these every day. Old Chrysler Imperial like this. Chevelle. Big block, 68. Got the steel wheels with the hubcaps. Beautiful stuff. Look at the color on this. The 396. Bucket seat. Automatic. I don't know if this is a real SS. It says it right there. Get all the decoding right there. For you guys that know this stuff more than I do. Beautiful color. Vinyl roof. Look how nice that is. Got a resto mod right here, Mustang. It's gonna be 67, I think. I'll walk around here and take a look and see. It looks like it's gonna be a 67. It's gonna be a 289, yeah, 67. Probably be a 289. It's gonna be a coupe. All custom interior, custom gauges. Awful lot, a lot of cars here. It's got a little bit of everything for everybody. Red Veneer. This is beautiful setup here. The way this car is all set up with the lights. It's going to have a Hellcat in it. It's a Belvedere with a Hellcat. This is going to be a 60. This is going to have the Hellcat, the 6.2 supercharged. This is going to be like a 67, something like that. Beautiful red paint on it. Really nice setup they have here. Charger, we got ourselves a Hemi Charger sitting right here. You guys know the code of the paint, that color. Let me know. I don't know all the Mopar stuff. This is gonna be 69 with the Hemi. Some rare stuff right here. The vinyl top with the white interior. Got the Magnum 500 wheels on it. Alright, you've got one here that they're doing this all fiberglass front. Not fiberglass, but I don't know what you call that. I can't think of it right now. Carbon fiber. See, this car, they're building it. It's not done yet. Looks like they used a 67 or 68 Mustang. I know, it might be a 69 or 70 that they used here. It's got the Eleanor front end on it. It's got a modern 5-liter in it. Coyote engine. Got itself in the really nice truck right here. A Chevy 86 C10. Beautiful stuff. Been tubbed, been lowered. Those big wheels. Looks like 24-inch wheels on that. 22-inch wheels. LS motor. The LS6. Beautiful, clean. Clean the way it's done. So sitting right beside the Mustang here, there's another one here. Okay, it's Modern Creations. This is where they take older Mustangs and they put the modern touches to it. Modern interior, modern motor. It's called Joyale. If ever you guys are into this stuff, I guess they can create these cars for you. Beautiful cars. Look at the lights. Yeah, Royale Creations. Nice stuff. Oh, we got an Eleanor. Oh, you got a couple more here. You got a Bullet right here, and you got an Eleanor sitting there. So these are some more of these creations, probably, that come out of. This is going to be a 2020 Bullet that they wide-bodied. And the Eleanor sitting right there. Let's take a look at that. Oh, you're going to have a Cobra sitting right there. So you see 2020, they had one throttle body. They didn't have two yet. That come out in 2024 on the 5 liter. See, there's one throttle body on there. Supercharged. Here too, you got the Eleanor, the supercharger. Look at those wheels on that. Isn't that something? The way they have that gas cap sitting right there. Beautiful stuff. Alright, so the guy that built these, he's right here. The first guy you see right there, Christian. He's the one that built these cars. Well, this is an old one, eh? Right-hand drive. Oh, it's a kit car. Caterham Super 7, 89 it says. Really nice stuff. See how the side pipes come out? Then we got ourselves here a Factory 5 out of Massachusetts. I like the gray color. This is like the new grays that they have on the new Mustangs that came out. They're really nice. Got a couple cars here from the Dukes of Hazzard. Got a Monaco and a Charger. Okay, I'm just gonna get some information over here for all right, this is just for me. I want to get this just in case. All right, look at this beautiful Camaro sitting right here. I got an LS in it. The Hideaway headlights. Beautiful interior. It's got the bars inside. I'm gonna look, see, I think this is gonna be a 69, something like that. 69. All custom Wildwood brakes. The big wheels on the back. Look at the paint. Beautiful paint on that. All custom gauges. All right. Got another setup here. Mustang setup. This is going to be coming out of, I don't know if this is going to be a Ford collection. Okay, we got a GT 500 here. This is going to be a 19... No, not a 19. What am I talking about? 19. It's going to be a 2011. 2011 had the 5.4s. I think it was 2014, eh, when they had the 5.8 supercharged. Then you got the Boss, the 302. This is going to be a 2012. The difference with the 2013 is the striping. Plus, it has the 2013 has the LED lights. Beautiful color with the orange color like that. That is really nice color. Got the original. Oh, look at this. Got a Mustang 2. This is something you don't see very often. This is really rare. 78. It's going to be a Cobra. Is this going to be like a King Cobra? With the, yeah, King Cobra 78 with the 5 liter. Look at the stripings. Look at the stripe they had on this. Isn't that something? These are, nobody kept these, so they're so rare to see. The 14-inch wheels. You can have a Pinto. It says Cobra 2 on the Pinto. I don't know if that's just something that they built up. Looks like it's gonna have like a, I don't know, 460 or something in it. Let me walk around here and take a look at it. Gonna be 77 Cobra 2 option, 351 Windsor. Oh, you got a 79 pace car, Mustang pace car. Those wheels there, those 14-inch wheels with those tires, metric, very hard to get your hands on. Very hard to get your hands on. 79 pace car edition, Indianapolis. Isn't that many around? Beautiful stuff, automatic one. Oh, 66 Mustang 289, beautiful color. Look at the vinyl roof on that. Like an aqua color, isn't that beautiful stuff? 66 with the same color interior. Mach 1, 69, gonna be a Cobra Jet 428. Sorry, red with the red interior. There was one like this in Sherbrooke, 69. It was for sale at the dealership. Wasn't as shiny, as nice as this one. Looked a lot like this one though. I don't remember if the interior was red or if it was black. But the big 428, look at those big wheels, eh? Big 14-inch wheels on there. Got the all polyglass tires on it. Nice setup here. All right, 68 Mustang with the newer drivetrain. It's got the Coyote engine. We saw this car in Montreal. It was at the car show in Montreal. All right, let's go. Look, we got a, looks like a Cuda sitting over here, a 340. Not a 340. This is going to be a 340 Cuda with the billboard stripes on the side. Look at the Nest Custom. Boy, that is some beautiful stuff over there. I'm gonna try to talk over it because I don't want to be demonetized. Look at the color on this. I don't know what the code color is going to be on this. You got your factory tag is in there. It's right here. Got a Chevelle convertible sitting over there. That's going to be a 72. You got a few Mopars along the edge over on the end there. Well, that truck is really nice. All right, let's keep walking around here. All right, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed that. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget. We're going to walk around here. I'm going to hit the second section. Seems to be some nice stuff here. So if you guys want to see, you look at my next video. I see a Lamborghini Countach over there. Got a GT40 sitting right here. You guys want to see this stuff? Check out my next video. Enjoy.